Hello, welcome to my channel. Okay, just kidding. Hi, I'm Jen. If this is your first time here, I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls, mostly styling services because I prefer to have a stylist pick out clothes for me. So if videos all about clothes sound interesting to you, then please subscribe below. If you guys end up liking this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up so others can see it. Returning viewers, thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate you all, your comments. Love you. All right, let's get into this. Today we have a Trendsend. I don't know how I ended up with this box this time, to be honest with you. I'm no longer doing like the monthly subscription, and so I'm doing it kind of like the ad hoc. So they were having a Labor Day sale, and I ordered a box. I did not record it because I wasn't back in the YouTube world yet. And then I failed to check out, though I did send back my clothes. I just never went through the checkout process, and then all of a sudden another order was created. So I'm not quite sure what happened, and instead of me emailing them and be like, hey, I didn't order this box, I just went, okay, go ahead and send me another box. So here a box is. If you do not know what Trendsend, it is a styling service by the store Ever Eve, and they are a store you can go shop at, whatever, but they send you 2 to 3 fully styled outfits. You can set it up to do it monthly or as desired. And I like the service because it's kind of more casual clothes. I tend to get dressier clothes in some of my other boxes, and Trendsend's nice for a more casual look. And then, this is dangerous. I also like that they do the styled outfits because I really enjoy seeing them put a full outfit together, and I see ways that I might not have thought of putting clothes together, so I always think that is fun. Again, about the service, you get, I think, 5 days to try on the clothes that they send you, decide what you want to keep, send back what you don't want to keep. If you are interested in trying it for the first time, I do have a referral code below for getting you 20% off. Check it out if you'd like. It's great for the discount, and to at least try it and get a discount on the clothes. And like I said, I definitely enjoy the service. So let's see what we've got in here. I should have been talking while opening this box up, but apparently I'm not a great multitasker. So, okay. Ooh, I got a full box, which is exciting. Whew. Okay, all right. Let's just start at the top, and I see a sweater, and I'm already excited. Guys, I love summer. Summer is my favorite season. I'm cold all the time, and I love being able to just like walk outside and be comfortable. And you obviously only get that in the summer. But for some reason, I'm just kind of, and I think it's since I've gotten into fashion, really excited about fall and winter. I like the colors, I like the layering, I like the warmth of the clothes. So already I just want to keep this whole outfit, even though I have not tried it on yet. So let's go to it. All right, so first off, we have, this super soft olive color cardigan. It is straight down front here. Oh, this feels quality. Oh, I really like this, guys. I really like this. We'll see if it fits because nothing ever fits me. So we'll see. Oh, what this is, olive and oak, and just a really soft cardigan, and it does have kind of this trim on it, if you guys can see that. And I just think that's really cute. Again, very soft. So loving that. And then just a white tank to layer under that. It does have a split side here on the tank. It just seems like a good layering piece. That's paint and Jensen, and it adds kind of like a little bit of heathering to it. I hope that's the right word to use, because that's the one I used. And a little bit of distressing, actually, so you can see kind of some worn pieces to it. Then we have some gray cut by the cloth pants. These are the Connie, and high-rise Connie ankle skinny in a dark gray. And there is distressing on these. These are really pretty. I like these. So I love a good distressed pant. And it's not heavily distressed. I mean, literally that's the only place other than just kind of this slightly worn look all over. So really excited about my first outfit. Already just, I love it. I love it. Okay, next up we have, this looks like just a sweater, a lavender sweater turtleneck, and it is by, who are you by? Allison Joy, and has deep slits here on the side, which I do enjoy. A sweater with some slits on the side. So really pretty, soft. I think it's going to be a bit oversized because you can see, you know, it's pretty wide, but I think it's supposed to be oversized. So we will give that a try. And then lastly, I got some, oh, this is some interesting colors and patterns. Oh, it's a couple more tops. Okay. I was like, surely this isn't an outfit. All right, so this is a orange and black tank, and that's actually very interesting. I like this quite a bit. Paint Jensen, and I think it's kind of a racer back with a seam down the back and a seam down the front and the V-neck. It's a different color. I don't know that I'm super excited about the color, but I think it's a good kind of fallish color, so I could throw on a jacket or cardigan over that. So I like that. And then this is Paint Jensen as well. And this is a animal print and short sleeve dolman top and kind of like a boat neck on it and a elasticy end on it. So I'll tell you right now, this shirt is not happening, but one of the things I love about these style services, I get to try stuff I wouldn't normally, and I'm very excited actually to try this because this is so different than anything I would normally wear, and I'm kind of interested to see what it looks like on, and who knows, I might get surprised. So, okay, so those are my 3 outfits, I guess. It's more mix and match, one outfit with a couple mix and match pieces, but I am very interested in trying it all on. I'll say just by looks of it, the first outfit is the one I'm just the most excited about. So let's just go ahead and dive into trying stuff on. Okay guys, first outfit we have is my favorite. Okay, I don't know, I haven't tried the other tops on, but I really love it. I love everything about it, but I'm not gonna keep it all. Okay, so let's start at the top. So the green cardigan actually fits really well. There's a little bit of kind of webbing, I would call it, here, but not bad at all. Sleeve lengths are perfect, absolutely perfect. I'm kind of wondering how this fits anybody who's not petite. So really happy with that. Really happy with the soft fabric. I have it kind of folded here at the neck because if I leave it up, it's just kind of like, I feel like I'm a cool kid flipping up a collar. So I have it folded down, and it's just a great shape. I like the whole like curved to the bottom aspect. I really like that. So love the cardigan, but I have a longer-ish cardigan that is olive colored that I got from Stitch Fix. It's got brown elbow patches, and so it's like identical in color. So it's like, how many of these do I need? I don't know, but really love it. The tank is just a great layering piece. Fits well, has a nice flowiness to it, so will serve well as a layering piece here in the fall as I throw jackets and cardigans over it. So I like it. Not perfect size. Really happy with that. I'm gonna put cardigan back on because my house is cold. So, and then the pants, again, great fit. I like that they are high-waisted here. I like the distressing, so they have some distressing here, some distressing down here at the knees. And I think they're really cute, and they're a great length, maybe a hair longer than I like, but I am queen of rolling up the ends of my pants, no big deal, and they're pretty good on length. So really like the outfit. The pants are probably too similar to another pair that, actually, now that I think about them, that I got from a Trendsend a while back. Those actually have kind of a darker stripe down the side, but those are also kind of slightly distressed, and so I just don't really need these, and that's the problem with this outfit is I already have a lot of these pieces, but I like it all together, and that helps me with styling ideas for the pieces I already have. So let's go try on the other tops. This is Blanchie. She used to be severely overweight when we adopted her. She was actually the record holder for the longest in the Humane Society at like 15 months, I think she was. And she was super fat. And we brought this sassy girl home and got her into shape. And I think she's 14, 15. I don't remember how old she is now, but and we've had her for a couple of years now. So you didn't ask me about my cat, but I just told you about her. So, okay, put her down. Okay, so next up we have this lavender sweater, and I actually really like it. I thought it was going to be super oversized, which it's a little bit oversized, but it's actually not bad at all. And it's pretty fitted through the sleeves and even here at the armpits, which is important to me that it's not like, you know, super baggy here, as already discussed. I like the side slits in it. I think that's a cute detail, and it's a pretty drastic side slit, so I like that. So overall, I like it. I think this will be just a matter if the price is right, because I think this is a great quality sweater, which probably means it's outside of my price range. So we'll find out, but I have 2 more tops to try on. Okay, next up we have this, I guess I'd say burnt orange and black striped top. It is a cute top. It's nice and kind of fitted here at the top and then flowy here at the bottom, but not too flowy. Let's try it with a little front tuck, see what we think of that. I think if I had, you know, a black jacket to throw up over this, that'd be really cute. I like it. Again, another Price is Right thing, because I do think I would wear this, and again, I'm always looking for things to wear under jackets here for the fall and upcoming winter, so I like having something like this that would be good with a black jacket. So, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so this is definitely a different top. Now, first of all, I love that she sent me all tops that look really, really great with these gray/black jeans, and she did a great job of that. I loved every top with this. This is such a unique top, and I don't hate it, surprisingly. I don't hate it. In fact, I haven't really looked at it in the mirror yet, so I guess in a recap I'll let you know if I hate it. But I don't feel like I hate it just by what I see in my viewfinder here. I like, you know, it's not too short, you know, even with this elastic waist, it kind of keeps it with, you know, it's not too high. I'm not going to show any stomach with this. And, you know, animal prints are in. It looks great with the jean color. I'm going to try, like, is this supposed to be like an off the shoulder thing? Let's try that. Part of my bra strap here. I don't know, what do you guys think of that? Off the shoulder. I would feel cool in this, but I don't know that my feelings for this would last very long. This would almost be like, while animal print is very much on trend, I like it, but as soon as it's off trend, then it's like, oh, what is this? So, love to get your guys' opinion on this piece. So, let's go ahead and go over prices, and we'll make some decisions. Hey. Yeah. You say hi to the camera? Yeah, say hi. Okay, sorry for the little cat interlude. All right, now let's go over prices and decide what we are gonna keep. All right, so now they do have what they didn't used to have, which is a styling fee of 20 bucks. I think I forgot to mention that it does apply to anything that you purchase. If you buy 4 or more items, you do get 10% off, and if somebody uses your referral link, you get 20% off. I have been blessed in the past with people using my referral link. Very, very appreciative. This time I ran out of referrals, so this is actually all full price for me, although I think there are maybe a couple sale items according to her note, which I'm not going to read you guys the note, but I will go over the prices here. Okay, so we have, I guess I'll just start at the top here. This is the Blakely Dolman top, and it is $44.99. I believe that's on sale. It was originally $58. So liked it. Surprisingly liked it. I think, again, that's the beauty of these styling boxes, is trying stuff you wouldn't normally. So surprisingly liked it, but I don't $45 like it. So next up, we have the cut from the cloth ankle skinny, and these are $89. And I liked them. They weren't 100% the perfect fit, so to me, not really worth the 90 bucks. And I've got a very, very similar colored pair of pants that I don't really need 2 of these, but I did like them. If money grew on trees, I'd probably buy this entire box. I really enjoyed this one. So, okay, the sweater. This is the Leila rib turtleneck sweater. It is, it's calling it mauve. I got more lavender than mauve. Is it mauve more like pinkish? I don't know. It is $88. Again, I was a fan of it. To me, it was, if the price is right, the price was not right. So, pass. Then we had the Harrison rib striped tank, and it is $44.99, originally $58. Again, I like it. I'm on repeat here. I like it, but I don't $45 like it. So I definitely would wear it. I'm considering it. If I just want to keep one piece, maybe it'll be this, but maybe it'll be this. Just because it's so great to have nice layering pieces, and I really did enjoy the fit and the shape of it. This is the Mila tank by Paint Jensen, and it is $38. So that may be a keeper, but let's just barrel through this. This is the Thalia Cocoon Cardigan by Olive and Oak, and it is $78. I'd really love to keep this, but I just can't justify it. I've got a sweater. I've got a cardigan in this color already. It's a similar length. I don't need this, right? Right, guys? I don't need this, right? You know, this is not life or death decisions. I don't know why I make it so difficult. If you are interested in trying Trendsend, there's a referral link below that will get you 20% off of your first box, but anyone's referral link will do that for you. So if you're interested in try it, just make sure you use somebody's referral link. And I appreciate you guys watching. Again, give this a thumbs up if you liked it, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks. Bye.